Hello everyone, welcome back to RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Happy Easter to everyone. I hope you are enjoying your celebration with the presence of God. It is the Easter Sunday, means God is risen from the dead. So I have here a very simple table centerpiece as a home decoration for the Easter. This is a platter, a serving plate, decorated with different colors of Easter eggs and with different colors of spring and summer flowers. And here in the center, I decorated a chocolate, which is a rabbit design, because rabbit is the center of attraction for the Easter decoration. And also this one is made from Switzerland, Swiss chocolate. This is this rabbit. The brand is Prey, and the other one is Pasagi chocolate from Switzerland. This is the sign of the flag, white cross and red. That is the flag of Switzerland. Chocolate Burn Rain means this is originated or made in Bern, Switzerland. This chocolate, this rabbit design. Okay, so if you want to look for this chocolate, just check from the chocolate Swiss section. Okay, so this is just a very simple home decoration, guys, just to have the spirit of Easter season. I think every home preparing for the coming of the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. So as we know that Jesus Christ was crucified and died, and after 3 days he was resurrected, and everybody is celebrating the Easter Sunday. So this Easter egg symbolizes the life. Egg symbolizes the life because the eggs, the chicken is coming from the eggs. So after how many days the chicks will come out and he will live outside and he will grow up. So the same as Jesus Christ was in the tomb because he was crucified and died, and after 3 days he come out from his tomb and he resurrected. This is the meaning of the Easter eggs. I hope you can relate. So that is my explanatory about the Easter eggs. So this is just a very simple home decoration, guys. I have just decorated here. I prepared a base. This is a tray, silver tray. I just put this different colors of spring flowers because it's already spring season, and at the same time I decorate these Easter eggs from this serving plate. At least we could have a very simple Easter table centerpiece. So if you want to check out my other simple DIY Easter decoration, just check out my playlist, Easter decoration from RAFTHELSA Vlogs playlist. Okay guys? So maraming salamat. Terima kasih. Ifaresto puli. Buhot-buhot syukriya. Pilindang. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat. Ifaresto puli. Bidang. Chichi. Merci beaucoup. Buen gracias. Grazie. And I will see you again, guys, in my next vlog. Bye-bye for now, and happy Easter to everyone. Enjoy your life and pray for everyone so that there will be a peace of mind, and especially We need the world peace. Okay. So thank you for watching again, and have a nice day. Keep safe and stay healthy. And God bless everyone. Happy Easter to all of you, my dear viewers and subscribers. From the bottom of my heart, I am thanking you to everyone for supporting always my vlogs. Don't forget to watch my premiere every day at 1 p.m. European time and Asian time 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. Dankeschön and ciao. Bye-bye.